Imagine multiplying your yearly income by 12. That's the power of strategic planning. Strategic planning isn't a buzzword or a complicated business jargon. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can catapult your financial success, transforming your yearly income into a monthly one. But how exactly does it do that? Strategic planning is like a map guiding you towards big goals. It provides a clear, well-thought-out plan that outlines where you want to go, and more importantly, how to get there. Without a map, you might end up wandering aimlessly, losing valuable time and resources. However, with a strategic plan in place, you can navigate the complex terrain of growth with confidence and precision. Now let's dive deeper into what strategic planning entails. It's not about wishful thinking or vague aspirations. It's about setting concrete financial goals. What's your income target? How much do you want to save? What investments do you plan to make? By having clear answers to these questions, you're already one step ahead in your journey towards financial success. But setting goals is just the beginning. The real magic of strategic planning lies in outlining the steps needed to achieve these goals. It's about breaking down your grand vision into manageable, actionable tasks. For instance, if your goal is to double your income, your strategic plan might include steps like investing in a new business, improving your skills, or cutting unnecessary expenses. Remember, the path to financial success isn't always a straight line. It's filled with twists and turns, ups and downs. But with a strategic plan, you can anticipate these challenges and prepare for them. You can adjust your strategies, refine your tactics, and stay on track no matter what. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Strategic planning is the foundation of your financial success. Solidify your goals, and the path to achieve them becomes clear. This is your chance to harness the power of strategic planning and transform your yearly income into your monthly income. The journey might be challenging, but with a strategic plan, you're already halfway there. Your skills are your most valuable asset. It's time to capitalize on them. Imagine turning your knowledge into a tool that generates income. It's not a dream, but a very achievable reality. The first step is to assess your skills. What are you good at? What unique knowledge do you possess that others might pay to learn? Once you've identified your strong suits, it's time to leverage them. Perhaps you're a whiz at coding, a master of a foreign language, or a pro at graphic design. Each skill has a market, and each market has potential customers willing to pay for your expertise. Once you've identified where you shine, consider how to monetize it. Could you offer freelance services, create an online course, or write an informative ebook? There are endless possibilities, limited only by your imagination and willingness to put your skills to work. Your expertise is your unique selling point. Make it work for you. Financial success is not just earning more, it's cutting unnecessary expenses. Now let's dive into this concept. We all have those little indulgences that we think we can't live without. But when you look at your budget, you might find a pile of unnecessary expenses that are eating away at your potential income. Think about it like this. Every dollar you save is a dollar earned. So, take a good hard look at your expenditures. Are there any subscriptions you don't really use? Are you dining out more often than necessary? These are the kind of frivolous expenses that can be trimmed down. Now imagine redirecting these funds towards activities that generate income. You could invest in a new business venture, purchase stock, or even take a course to improve your skills. The possibilities are endless. By identifying and eliminating financial waste, you pave the way for financial growth. Remember, trimming the financial fat sets you on the path to financial freedom. Passion drives success, skills make it possible. This is the mantra we all should live by when it comes to choosing a business idea. You see, the magic happens when these two elements align. Your interests, the things that light a fire in your soul, combined with your skills, the abilities you've honed and mastered, can create a potent mix that propels you towards success. Think about it. When you're passionate about something, you're more likely to invest time, energy, and resources into it. You're more likely to stick with it, even when the going gets tough. And let's face it, in business there will be tough times. But your passion can be the fuel that keeps you going, that helps you push through those obstacles and challenges. On the other hand, your skills are what make you competent and capable. They're what enable you to deliver value to your customers or clients. Without skills, passion is like a car without an engine. It may look nice, but it's not going to get you anywhere. So, how do you find this alignment? Start by taking inventory. What are you passionate about? What are your skills? Where is the overlap? This sweet spot is where you'll find business ideas that not only excite you but also have the potential to be profitable. Remember, this is not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. What works for one person may not work for another. The key is to find what works for you. What lights you up and makes you excited to get out of bed in the morning? What are you naturally good at, or what skills have you developed over time? Once you've found this alignment, you're on your way. No longer just working to make a living, you're working to make a life. A life that is fulfilling, satisfying, and yes, profitable. When your passion meets your skills, your income potential multiplies. This is not just a catchy phrase, it's a proven strategy, a strategy that can turn your yearly income into your monthly income. And that, my friends, is the magic of aligning passion and skills. Knowledge is power. Understand your market, dominate your industry. Let's dive into the power of market research. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals what your potential customers need and want. Knowing the pulse of the market, understanding the demand for your product or service. Imagine you're a chef preparing a gourmet meal. You don't just randomly throw ingredients together, do you? No, you understand the flavors, the combinations, the techniques. Now think of market research as your recipe for success. It informs your strategic decisions. It tells you what ingredients you need to make your business a hit. It shows how to optimize your income generation. It helps you spot trends, identify opportunities, and avoid pitfalls. So don't just guess what your customers want. Ask them, listen to them, understand them. Market research is your compass in the world of business. It points you in the direction of success. In the digital age, your online presence is your business card. This is the era where first impressions are often formed before a face-to-face meeting. An effective online presence is more than just having a website. It's about how you present yourself on all fronts of the internet. Your website is your home base. It should reflect your brand, showcasing who you are, what you do, and why you do it. It's the chance to make a lasting impression, to captivate your audience, and to convert visitors into customers. Now let's talk about social media. Your profiles aren't just posting content, they're virtual extensions of your brand. They should align with your business values, goals, and aesthetic. And remember, consistency is key. Engagement is another crucial aspect. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews. This not only builds relationships but also boosts your visibility. A strong online presence is a strong business. It's where your customers find you and your income finds its way to you. Marketing and advertising are the engines that drive your income. Buckle up because we're about to delve into the world of marketing and advertising, the twin powerhouses that have the potential to skyrocket your income. These two elements are not just important, they're essential. They are the voice of your business, shouting out to the world what you have to offer. Think of marketing as your business's personal storyteller. It crafts your brand's narrative, setting the stage for your product or service. It's about understanding your audience, knowing what they need, and speaking their language. It's about positioning your brand in such a way that it becomes a solution, a beacon of hope in your audience's life. But how do you create this narrative? It all starts with a solid marketing strategy. This is your game plan, your roadmap to success. It outlines who you are, what you offer, and how you're different. It defines your goals and how you plan to achieve them. But remember, a strategy is not set in stone. It's a living document that evolves as your business does. Now let's talk about advertising. If marketing is the storyteller, advertising is the loudspeaker amplifying that story. It's about getting your message out there, making sure it reaches the right people at the right time. It's about creating compelling, memorable ads that not only catch your audience's attention but also inspire them to take action. Investing in advertising can feel like a big step, but remember, you're not spending money, you're investing in your business's future. Whether you choose traditional advertising methods like TV and radio ads, or modern digital platforms like social media and search engines, the goal is the same: to reach your audience and compel them to choose you over your competitors. Remember, effective marketing and advertising require time, effort, and resources, but the rewards can be immense. So don't shy away from investing in these crucial areas. Fuel your income engine with strategic marketing and advertising. That's how you make your yearly income, your monthly income,